Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Niranjana from Leo Tales, and what we have here today is probably one of the best subscriptions of 2021 so far, and probably the best edition of Luho box as well. So Luho is a beauty subscription box and they have several editions actually. So right now I think about 2 to 3 editions are live on their website, but this one got my attention and I love this one. So Luho box comes in this beautiful reusable sturdy black box packaging, and inside that we have the products, and this time the brand is Just Herbs, a brand that is very well known to us. Luho has featured this in the past as well, but this time we have all new different products and totally worth a try. Let's get started. So the first product is probably the most beautiful lipstick I've seen among Indian brands. Just Herbs Pure Bespoke Ayurvedic. It is the herb enriched Ayurvedic lipstick. It is in the shade Bhavana Pink. You don't get a shade option. Everyone will receive the same shade. No carmine, no paraben, no film formers, no silicones, no petrochemicals, no lead and other heavy metals. Such a beautiful packaging, and I'm starting to wonder if this lipstick looks like Taj Mahal to me. Anyway, it's so beautiful. It's not very heavy but not too lightweight. It feels absolutely luxurious in hand. There is the shade indication at the bottom, and this is how the shade looks like. Such a beautiful lipstick. Like, even if the lipstick gets over, I will not be throwing this out. The packaging is just to die for. So pretty. The square packaging, it feels really good quality, and obviously it is from Just Herbs. Now the second one that got my attention is this hair mask. It is the wholesome hair repair for dull, dry and damaged hair. It is the Shiro Lepam hair and scalp treatment mask with Amla, Shankh-Pushpi and Bhringraj. Controls frizz, strengthens hair, helps reduce hair fall, promotes hair growth, detangles and smoothens. It is a huge tub of 200 grams, which is like full size. And that is also something I like about Luho. It's all full size products. And they have mentioned all their ingredients, their helpline, everything that you need to know about the brand and the product. Just Herbs is very transparent about these things. No paraben, no mineral oil, 99.2% is natural, and they have 100% herbal actives as well. So this is a plastic packaging with a metallic like cap. This is how the mask looks like. Very gooey texture. It's not very thick, and it has a nice fragrance. It's not a very herbal fragrance, but a very pleasant, sweet fragrance. I can't wait to try this out for my hair, and it is CG approved also because there is no paraben, silicon, sulfate, and it comes with the spill proofing packaging also. I think I'm most excited about this mask and the lipstick. That is why I showed you these first. So yeah, that is the second product. I can't wait to try this one. The third product that we have here came in this packaging. It is the Skin Recovery Fusion Sacred Lotus and Green Tea, alcohol free and no artificial fragrance, 100 ml. It is basically a skin toner, no parabens, no mineral oils, and the price is 545 rupees. Also, all of these are newly manufactured products. None of these are like stock clearance or anything. So again, that is something that I appreciate about Luho. So this is how the toner or the mist, whatever you want to call, looks like. It is a plastic bottle, very similar to the regular Just Herbs packaging. Let's just see the fragrance. So it feels like water only, and it has this beautiful rose kind of fragrance. I'm not sure if rose is, yes, distilled rose is an ingredient. It might predominantly smell like rose water, but as you can see from the ingredient list, there are so many other things also. The fragrance is just so nice. Oh god, it's such a sweet, soothing fragrance, like natural rose water kind of. And yes, it came with the outer packaging also. So that is the third product. The fourth one that we have here is the Deep Cleansing Lotion. It contains aloe vera and Indian rose, 100 ml for all skin types. No paraben, no mineral oil, etc. Newly manufactured product. The price is 595 rupees. So this is the texture, lotion like, and this can be used as a cleansing portion for your face. Even if you're not using any makeup, you can use it as your first cleanser, or maybe even for your daily makeup you can use it. Fragrance wise, very similar to that of the Recovery Fusion because it's a rosy and predominantly very sweet fragrance, and it doesn't really leave behind any residue. I mean, it will leave something, but you're going to use a face wash or something and cleanse it off completely, so it is okay. So as I said, even if you do not use makeup, you can use it as a cleanser. It's completely okay. And the last product that we have here is the Silk Skin Indian Ginseng Aloe Vera Moisturizing Cream, 50 gram, which is again full size, normal to dry skin. And as we can see, the full ingredient list and everything is mentioned here. Oh, the price of this one is 745 rupees, and yes, newly manufactured as well. This is the texture of the moisturizing cream, and so it's not a lotion moisturizer or a gel moisturizer, so some level of the thickness can be expected, but yeah, it's a moisturizing cream and it's meant for normal to dry skin, so it has to be, rightly so. And the fragrance is it's pleasant but not rosy or anything, and I would say it's mostly a very unisex fragrance also. And considering the quantity, 50 gram will last for a while because you won't need much for your entire face and neck. So that's everything we received in Luho box, and I am totally in love with this edition. There is nothing that I see myself not using, maybe the moisturizing cream, but then my hack is this. See, this is for normal to dry skin and a facial cream. Now, for me, I have dry skin on body, feet, etc. So if I cannot use it on my face, I will use it on my body. Or maybe I'll give it to my dad because he has normal to dry skin and he enjoys moisturizing creams. Yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This Luho box is something that I will ask you to blindly pick. It is just amazing. There is nothing that I don't like about this. Total value for money. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts. I would like to know. We will meet again. Until then, take care. Bye.